Hey guys, Steve here at Veal Performance. Just wanted to send you guys a reminder with spring just around the corner here that we do nitrous fills. So if any of you guys are looking to take any of those spoolie boys to Spray Town, come and hit us up and we get you taken care of. So this here is a 10-pound Zex bottle. Everything that we bring in, obviously we scale beforehand, scale afterwards, make sure we have your bottle properly filled, and then we can charge accordingly. Unfortunately, with the fluctuations in nitrous pricing, all we can really do is tell you that it's going to be at current market value. So as a nitrous user myself, I know there's a lot of taboos out there that nitrous is bad and potentially harmful for engines. I just want to ensure you guys that if it's done properly, done smart, it shouldn't cause any issues. Can definitely be an effective tool for making power. Alright guys, well for those of you that are new to nitrous or interested in nitrous, feel free to drop some comments below with questions, stuff like that. We can try and help you out and get you pointed in the right direction. As you see, we got enough mother bottles, we can fill whatever you got, and we'll get you set up.